Good evening and welcome to the South Wales Argus Health and Care Awards in partnership with T2 Group. I don't think celebrating the hard work of health and care workers has ever been more important. I can only imagine the hours they have had to work and the things they must have seen during the pandemic. I hope for a few hours this evening, our finalists can put their feet up and celebrate everything that they have achieved. When COVID-19 locked down the country, our lives became very different overnight. And the plans for these awards were sent into disarray too. However, we knew we had to find a way to make sure that they could go ahead and we could reward those in the health and social care sectors for their dedication, compassion, and care demonstrated on a daily basis. The awards celebrate the amazing work that teams and individuals are doing. They celebrate the commitment, dedication, enthusiasm, and inspiration of health and social care workers. It became very clear how much your work is appreciated by the sheer number of nominations that we received from members of the public, from your colleagues, and organisations. These nominations flooded in after the health and care sectors rose to the challenge of fighting the global pandemic. I would like to take an opportunity now to thank the judges for the time and expertise they brought to this process. It was a time-consuming job reading all the entries, and it was very emotional hearing some of the truly inspiring stories. However, tonight's finalists and winners definitely deserve their accolades. These awards would not have been possible without the support of our sponsors. They continue to champion these awards during these challenging times and have helped to ensure that they can go ahead online tonight. I'd like to thank our title sponsor, T2 Group, and our category sponsors, Syntec, Coleg Gwent, Freemasons of Monmouthshire, George Street Furnishers, Monmouthshire Building Society, the Museum of Military Medicine, Newport City Council, Niche IFA, the Royal College of Nursing, St Joseph's Hospital, Tovey Brothers, the University of South Wales, Western Power Distribution, the Army, and also thank you to Aneurin Bevan University Health Board, NHS, who are supporting tonight's awards. We want this evening to be as interactive as possible, and while we might not be able to be in the same room, please put your messages of good luck, of celebration and support in the comments below. I know our finalists would love to see them, so please do share and like. Now, your awards host this evening is very used to being on your screens. He will be instantly recognisable to you as the health editor at Good Morning Britain, and for his appearances on The Lorraine Show, where his slot, The Pulse, looks at the health topics that have been discussed in the media that week. Please welcome Dr. Hilary Jones.
Welcome to the South Wales Argus Health and Social Care Awards, which I'm absolutely thrilled to be hosting, albeit remotely, through the medium of the small screen. Now, these awards are the health and social care equivalent of the Emmy Awards in the world of television and emerging media. But as far as I'm concerned, and I'm sure all of your patients and clients will agree, these are always much more important than that in this particular pandemic year. We could in fact call them the Pandemmy Awards, couldn't we? Because all of the nominees and winners from whichever discipline of healthcare they work in have done an absolutely outstanding job in 2020 in unprecedented and highly challenging circumstances. You always work hard, above and beyond, but this year, many of you have made even greater sacrifices and often taken personal risks. Earlier in the year, we saw the general public come out onto the streets every Thursday evening and show their appreciation by clapping for you. All of you, every single one of you deserve recognition, and I'm immensely proud to call you my colleagues. Before we get to the awards, I'd just like to spend a couple of minutes reflecting on how this virus has impacted on all of us. It's a serious business, of course, and it will last a while longer. But we will get through it, and amongst the things that will help will be to be grateful for what we have and to keep our sense of humour. For example, I think we can all agree that in 2015, not a single person got the answer right to the question, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? For those of you of a certain age, how many thought that after surviving all that unprotected sex in the 70s, 80s and 90s that you might die from an unprotected handshake in 2020? Who would have thought that something like this could affect every facet of our lives? Going to the pub, shopping, the theatre, film and sport. A lot of people are drinking more alcohol, I've noticed. Personally, after lockdown, I was delighted when the pubs opened up again as I needed a reason to drink less. But since no one can get a test, it seems, for COVID-19 at the moment, the alcohol test for loss of taste and smell is quite a good alternative. What you do is you pour yourself a nice glass of wine and see if you can smell it. If you can, that's good. And then you drink some and see if you can taste it. And if you can, that's great because it's a negative test and it confirms that you don't have coronavirus. Last night, I tested myself 9 times and every time it was negative. Tonight, I'm going to test myself again because when I woke up this morning, I had a bit of a headache for some reason and felt like I was coming down with something. A bit worrying. Shopping is a different experience too, isn't it? The masks, the social distancing, the hand sanitizer. At my local supermarket, they use a temperature scanner. I think it can affect your memory though. I went in for bread, milk and sanitizer and came out with gin, wine and chocolate. Well, here's a tip. If, like me, you also forget the hand sanitizer. Horse manure works a treat. It prevents you touching your face. Everyone stays more than 2 meters away. Nobody shakes your hand and you always wash your hands before eating. Cheap too. And thank God for Netflix, eh? I mean, films have been decimated by the restrictions. The Seven Dwarfs were advised only recently that they can only meet up to groups of 6 people. One of them isn't happy. As for The Magnificent Seven and The 12 Angry Men, well, you can forget that. And who'd have thought all those team games, football and rugby would have to be played behind closed doors? There's only fencing left, and that is the perfect sport right now. You have to wear gloves and a visor anyway, and if anyone gets closer than 6 feet, you just stab them. Things are looking up, as we all know. Christmas has come and gone, and the first vaccines for COVID are already being rolled out. But it was a different Christmas this year, wasn't it? And we can only imagine what sort of COVID-orientated jokes were in your Christmas crackers this year. In my family's crackers, we had, what is Dominic Cummings' favourite Christmas song? Driving Home for Christmas by Chris Rea. Why are Santa's reindeers allowed to travel on Christmas Eve? Because they've got herd immunity. Why couldn't Mary and Joseph join their conference call? Because there was no Zoom at the inn. And why can't Boris Johnson make his Christmas cake until the last minute? Because he can't decide how many tiers it should have. Oh, excuse me, it's me. Oh, sorry, my phone's ringing. Hello? Hello? Have I been involved in a car crash that wasn't my fault? Yes, Brexit. Now bugger off. Excuse me. Now, without further ado, the awards. We have a message for all the health and care workers from Chief Constable, Gwent Police, Pam Kelly.
From all at Gwent Police, we'd like to say thank you to all our health and care workers, and I'm delighted to be able to say a few words for the Health and Care Awards. Every single day, not just during the COVID crisis, but in normal times, we know that resources are stretched, and boy oh boy, haven't they been stretched during the coronavirus. A sincere thank you to you all for your care, your compassion, and for your steadfastness in looking after all members of our communities. And I'd like to congratulate all of those that have received awards today, but also all of those that work tirelessly for our communities every single day of the year. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.
Thanks, Pam. The South Wales Argus have been sent some messages of good luck and appreciation for the finalists tonight. Here's the first message from Sam Warburton.
Hi everybody, Sam Warburton here. We'd just like to wish all the finalists all the best of luck and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Good luck everybody.
Thanks, Sam. Our first category this evening is the Research Impact Award sponsored by the University of South Wales. This award recognises excellent research that has made a real difference to people's lives. The finalists are Avon Technology is developing a non-invasive and real-time blood glucose monitor for people with diabetes, a world first. Professor Alka Ahuja and the Kutch team, connecting with telehealth to communities and hospitals, is enabling young people to access timely support with their mental health and well-being. Professor Alka Ahuja and her team have developed this way of offering video consultations where clinically appropriate. And Tracy Salathiel from Tyserial Unit County Hospital. Tracy's research for her PhD and experience of implementing numerous service developments have led her to devise mental health and suicide risk assessment tools. She's also contributed significantly to the offender care pathway for Wales. To announce the name of the winner from the University of South Wales, Deputy Head of School, Simon Young.
Noswaith, good evening. It's a pleasure to be here this evening supporting the healthcare professionals of the future and representing the University of South Wales. Diolch am y cynnig. Thank you for the offer to come. The winner of the Research Impact Award is Professor Alka Ahuja from the Kutch team.
Hi everyone, it's Michael here from the Great British Bake Off last year, and I've got a wee message for all of you at the South Wales Argus Newspaper Health and Care Awards. I've heard that your award ceremonies had to move online because of COVID, and I mean, this year's been very strange, but online ceremonies aren't the worst thing. I mean, if no one needs to see you, you don't need to be dressed. So I would be in my dressing gown and my pyjamas with a big bucket of ice cream, or I guess if you do need to be seen, waist up only, so bottom half pyjamas. Anyway, whatever state of dress you are in, I hope you have the most amazing award ceremony. The NHS and care workers have been so vital during this time. And I just want to wish everyone luck for this evening. Congratulations to everyone, and thank you for all the hard work that you put in throughout the year and all the time, really. You guys are true heroes, and I'm sending all of my love to you. Have a wonderful time.
Thanks, Michael. Our next award is the Best Innovation Award sponsored by Coleg Gwent. The award celebrates innovation in health and care, a new approach, application of an idea or technology. The finalists are St Joseph's Hospital Advanced Diagnostics team joined the collective effort against COVID-19 by agreeing a formal partnership with NHS Wales to provide additional capacity for urgent and critical treatments that would normally take place in NHS hospitals. Mr. Andy Thomas has introduced a new technique for carrying out biopsies on men suspected of suffering from prostate disease to Wales. Perineal prostate biopsies carry a 1 in 1,000 risk of sepsis compared with a 3 to 4% chance associated with the previous method used. And Welsh Ambulance Services NHS Trust technology such as the Abloy Protect 2 Click system has improved the management of medicines. Meanwhile, clinical education and training has been rapidly redesigned to implement an ambitious training and recruitment plan. To announce the name of the winner from Coleg Gwent, Head of Faculty of Care and Community Studies, Gary Handley.
Coleg Gwent is really proud to be sponsoring this award. There could have been so many winners, but the actual winner of the Best Innovation Award is the Welsh Ambulance Service NHS Trust.
Hello everybody. Thank you South Wales Argus for doing this fantastic event. Salute the NHS. Salute the care workers. Means a lot. My mum is in a care home and thank God, touch wood, they have been COVID free. And it is only because the staff there have gone above and beyond to keep the residents safe. It means I've not been able to visit her. Actually saying that, we've just opened it up so we can go and visit for half an hour. I'm visiting on Monday. But I've only seen her twice in the last 6 months, however long this has been going on for. And brilliant. Not brilliant, I couldn't see her, obviously. But brilliant that they were taking it that Seriously. So all care workers, whatever that might be, whether you're going into people's homes, you're working in hospitals, you're working in care homes, you're working in recovery centres, you're working in prisons, all of the NHS staff, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I wish you the best of luck tonight, but you're already winners. And let's keep our fingers crossed that we get a government that will give you a pay rise and celebrate you for the heroes you are. Have a great evening.
Thank you, Ian. It's great to hear how much care home workers are making a difference to yours and your mum's life. It really is. Now we move on to Innovative Care in the Care Home Sector Award, sponsored by the Royal College of Nursing. We were looking for a person or team who demonstrated outstanding levels of commitment to care and put the person being cared for at the very heart of what they do. The finalists are Claremont Court Care Home and Tycherios Nursing Home. The pandemic has led these homes to develop the TC Hub, a way of delivering enhanced one-to-one care and support to residents with complex needs using staff trained by the homes. The innovation improves infection control by reducing the need for outside staff to come into the home. And Katie Morgan of Beatrice Webb Home. The outstanding care and attention given by Katie to a 70-year-old man with Down syndrome has led one of his relatives to nominate her for this award. To announce the name of the winner, from the Royal College of Nursing Board Chair, Denise Llewellyn MBE.
Good evening, everybody. It's lovely to be with you tonight. The Royal College of Nursing Wales believes that now more than ever, nurses and nursing should be celebrated, and we are proud to sponsor this award. We understand and value the key role that nurses and healthcare support workers play in providing high-quality care in the care home sector, adding quality to people's lives and caring for some of the most vulnerable people in our society. The winner of the Innovative Care in the Care Home Sector Award is Claremont Court Care Home and Tycherios Nursing Home.
Well, the South Wales Argus Newport paper are running a Health and Care Awards. Congratulations, marvellous. The awards have had to move online because of COVID, of course they have, and they celebrate NHS and care workers. So, I wish you all the luck, and the winners, congratulations. You've done a wonderful job during this terrible period. Big Ian sends you a big kiss, and many, many congratulations to the nominees and to the winners. Mwah. Take care.
Thanks, Biggins. Our fourth award tonight is the Together We Achieve Award, sponsored by the Freemasons of Monmouthshire. We wanted to hear about teams working together to deliver improved patient care and public health. The finalists are Age Connects Torvine. This organisation works with elderly and vulnerable people to create a better community for all, helping the elderly to feel valued and needed. Amanda Cole and Melissa Rees of the Winter Pressure and COVID wards. Amanda and Melissa's experience of running successful winter pressure wards has enabled them to oversee the smooth running of COVID wards when they've been needed. Their professionalism and expertise means both patients and staff are made to feel welcome on their wards. And Memory Assessment Services and InReach team Torvine. This multidisciplinary team, led by Sarah Evans, impresses many people in the way it goes the extra mile to deliver patient-centred care. To announce the name of the winner from the Freemasons of Monmouthshire, Provincial Deputy Grand Director of Ceremonies, Tony Charles.
Good evening. I'm delighted to be representing Monmouthshire Freemasons at this award. Monmouthshire Freemasonry has donated £87,000 to local charities this year, and in particular £55,000 in the fight against coronavirus. Together We Achieve. And the winner of the Together We Achieve award is the Memory Assessment Services and InReach team, Torfaen.
Hiya everybody, what's occurring? It's Jo here, Stacey from Gavin and Stacey, and I just want to say an absolutely massive congratulations to all the Health and Care Awards finalists. Good luck, congratulations, and thank you so much for all of the hard work that you've been doing. I hope you have a fantastic time and you deserve it for all the hard work that you've done. So good luck and congratulations, and thank you so much. Bye!
Thanks, Joanne. Our next award is Third Sector or Community Team of the Year. This is supported by Aneurin Bevan Health Board NHS. We were looking for a person or team who were doing something new, something bold or different. The finalists are Age Connects Torfaen COVID Response Team. Older people in Torfaen have been supported by the Age Connects team, which offers meal and pharmacy deliveries, shopping services, social contact using Zoom and other activities in people's homes. Complex Care at Home team at Aneurin Bevan University Health Board. This team takes care of people in their own homes and enables them to maintain as much independence as possible. And Marie Curie Information and Support Line team. This free and confidential information and support line has been expanded to meet the needs of callers during the pandemic. To announce the name of the winner representing Aneurin Bevan Health Board NHS, the editor of the South Wales Argus, Gavin Thompson.
The winner of Third Sector or Community Team of the Year is the Marie Curie Information and Support Line team.
Hi, sorry to bust into your evening. It's Clive Mantle here. I was once a lot younger and I was once Mike Barrett in Casualty in Holby City. Anyway, welcome all you finalists for the South Wales Argus Health and Care Awards. And congratulations all of you for the love and the dedication you've shown to all of us, not only this year, but throughout your long and illustrious careers in the good old NHS. It was my passion to represent the NHS to the best possible of my abilities and in the best possible light while I was doing the series. And anyway, I loved every minute of it. And thank you all for your dedication, hard work, commitment, love, care, and expertise. All right, take care. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
Thanks, Clive. Our next award is Team of the Year, sponsored by Monmouthshire Building Society. The finalists for this award have provided an improved performance or service and demonstrated significant achievements and commitment to improving care and the patient experience. The finalists are Aneurin Bevan University Health Board Post-COVID Rehabilitation Team. This team of specialist nurses, occupational therapists, dietitians, National Exercise Referral Service staff and physiotherapists has come together to meet the rehabilitation and health needs of people recovering from COVID-19. St Joseph's Hospital Advanced Diagnostics Team. St Joseph's has been supporting the national response to COVID-19 by providing additional capacity for urgent and critical treatments that would normally take place in NHS hospitals. And Workforce and Organisational Development Leadership Team from the Welsh Ambulance Services NHS Trust. They've worked tirelessly in the face of significant challenges caused by the pandemic to ensure the continuity of delivery of frontline services. To announce the name of the winner, from Monmouthshire Building Society, Finance Director Ewan Jones.
And the winner of Team of the Year is the Aneurin Bevan University Health Board Post-COVID Rehabilitation Team.
Hey everyone, it's me, Beverly Knight. I am fortunate enough to be in the Korean, not Korean like the country, but Korean Amphitheatre here in Cyprus. So greetings to you all and huge congratulations. You guys are the finalists for the Health and Care Awards. Well done, South Wales Argus newspaper, for putting this on, because I strongly believe that the health and care workers in this country need to be remunerated. But while we wait for the remuneration, I'd like them to at least be thanked, and you're doing a beautiful job. So thank you, all you guys, you're finalists. I know how hard you work. I've got NHS people in my own family. I've got care workers in my own family. You deserve so much more than we can give. So for now, I would say thank you, thank you, thank you. I wish you all luck. As far as I'm concerned, you're all winners. If it was up to me, you'd be paid a big, healthy bonus. If I ever meet Boris Johnson, I shall tell him that myself. Good luck.
Thank you, Beverly. Our 7th award this evening is the GP Practice of the Year Award, sponsored by Niche IFA. This award recognises the contribution of everyone in the GP practice to provide a good service to patients. The finalists are Clark Avenue Surgery, Pontney Wyth. Caring, efficient, compassionate, friendly and welcoming are just some of the words used to describe the Clark Avenue Surgery. Ty Bryn Surgery, Tritomas. Staff at this surgery are always pleasant and give plenty of time to each patient. And West Quay Medical Centre, Barry. Nothing is too much trouble for patients at this medical centre, and their mental health care is second to none. To announce the name of the winner, from Niche IFA, Compliance and HR Director, Tom Roberts.
Niche would just like to give our thanks to all the health and care workers this year for the tremendous work that they've done over this very difficult year. And we're very pleased to announce that the winner of the GP Practice of the Year Award is Clark Avenue Surgery.
Hello there, this is Kate Ford. You will know me as Tracy Barlow. This is a message for all the NHS workers and care workers who I know are having an online awards ceremony tonight. I just want to say thank you so much for all your incredible hard work, and to congratulate you and to wish you luck. So have a great virtual awards. And once again, thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks, Kate. We move on now to the Pharmacy of the Year, sponsored by the Museum of Military Medicine. This award recognises the contribution of everyone in pharmacy to provide a good service to patients. The finalists are Evans Pharmacy, Aniron. This team has been described as fantastic, with staff members going out of their way to help patients. Maybury Pharmacy, Blackwood. No matter how busy staff are, they're always patient, professional and take time to explain options to customers. And T.H. Pritchard and Sons, Bliner. Staff members have been hand-delivering prescriptions to patients unable to get to the pharmacy and always have smiles on their faces. To announce the name of the winner, from the Museum of Military Medicine, Director Jason Semmons.
Well, I'm delighted to announce that the winner of Pharmacy of the Year is Maybury Pharmacy, Blackwood.
Hey, it is I, Justin Hawkins from the Darkness, with wet hair. I'm wearing a shirt that has treble clefs on because musician, see? This is to all the finalists in the South Wales Argus Newspaper Health and Care Awards. Congratulations on becoming finalists, and on behalf of the population at large, I wish to thank you for your hard work. Just to remind you who I am. Touching you, touching me, it's that one. So have a great night, and Good luck. Thanks.
Thanks, Justin. Now, our next award is Volunteer of the Year, sponsored by Western Power Distribution. This award acknowledges those volunteers who've shown an exceptional and outstanding commitment to helping people. The finalists are Kieran Blake. He's volunteered as a community first responder with the Welsh Ambulance Service for more than 40 hours a week for more than 6 months. He's now got a full-time job with the service as an urgent care assistant. Nick Powell has been a dedicated and enthusiastic Marie Curie volunteer in Newport and surrounding areas for 3 years and is said to have shown outstanding commitment to the charity. And Rhys Tucker, emergency ambulance technician. He works tirelessly to help the homeless community. He's recently run an appeal to collect Christmas boxes for people who live on the streets. To announce the name of the winner from Western Power Distribution, Corporate Communications Officer Karen Welsh.
I'm delighted to be here to announce the winner of the Volunteer of the Year award is Kieran Blake.
Hello, Shemai, Sean Lloyd here. It's an honour to be sending you a message as part of these special celebrations. Great people doing outstanding work in the health and care sector. Diolch, thank you to the South Wales Argus for showcasing those who deserve such special recognition, though of course in a very different way this year. But then, isn't everything? Above all, a big sizzling Scotcho thanks to you, NHS workers, care workers and others, for going above and beyond, for always finding solutions, and above anything else, for caring so very much. Diolch o galon. Pob lwc, good luck to you. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to everyone, those are so well deserved. And a big heartfelt thank you.
Thanks, Sean. Our 10th award this evening is Paramedic or First Responder of the Year, sponsored by the Army. We were looking for a paramedic or first responder who demonstrated an innovative and caring approach to their work. The finalists are Kieran Blake. His dedication to his voluntary role as a community first responder has seen him devote hours of his time to supporting paramedics in Pontypool and other parts of Gwent. Stefan Cartwright. He's worked tirelessly to raise awareness of assaults on ambulance workers after suffering 2 attacks himself. And Rhys Tucker is praised for putting others before himself, whether it's individuals considering taking their own lives or the aftermath of a serious car accident that he came across whilst he was off duty. His efforts on behalf of the homeless have also earned much admiration. To announce the name of the winner, from the Army, Deputy Commander Colonel Sean Walker.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be able to present this award tonight. During the COVID pandemic, we've had soldiers and airmen and seamen working alongside paramedics in South and West Wales as part of the ambulance response teams. Therefore, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that the winner of this year's Paramedic First Responder of the Year is Mr. Rhys Tucker.
Hi gang, it's me, Mr. Motivator. You know, the South Wales Argus newspaper has been running a health and care awards. These awards have had to be moved online because of COVID. But the most important thing of all is this, that they celebrate the wonderful work of all you NHS and care workers. The community thanks you. Every one of you finalists, I want to wish you good luck. I thank you. Congratulations to the eventual winners. And thank you for all the work that you've been doing during these difficult times. Be well, say yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Motivator. Derek, how the devil are you? Now we move on to the Support Staff of the Year, sponsored by Newport City Council. This award recognises a person that demonstrates outstanding levels of commitment to patient care and puts the patient at the very heart of everything they do. The finalists are Gail Hearn. Healthcare support worker Gail runs a cognitive stimulation therapy group for patients, and her commitment is such that she's continued to keep in touch with those she helped throughout the pandemic. Jenny Lewis has worked in the NHS as a nurse auxiliary for 41 years and continues to be a member of the bank scheme. She's also worked for the St David's Foundation in their hospice. And Rhiann Jones. Care at Home team patient-centred care is all important to Rhiann, who has been undertaking 24-hour shifts both during the pandemic and at other times to ensure patients are well looked after. To announce the name of the winner representing Newport City Council, the editor of the South Wales Argus, Gavin Thompson.
The support staff of the year winner is Jenny Lewis.
Hello everyone, Ben Fogel here, sending a message to all the Health and Care Awards finalists in the South Wales Argus newspaper Health and Care Awards. Now, I know that the awards have moved online because of COVID, but these really are so important, celebrating NHS and care workers. Good luck to all the nominees and many congratulations to all the winners.
Thanks, Ben. Our next category tonight is Midwife of the Year, sponsored by George Street Furnishers. We were looking for a midwife who demonstrated an innovative and caring approach to their work. The finalists are Louise Howells. Her own experience of losing a baby has led her to embark on a master's degree in counselling for families suffering after stillbirth and neonatal deaths. Jane Morgan. She's described as a wonderful midwife who's constantly kind and compassionate with excellent leadership skills. She's a member of the Breach Birth Team. And Danielle Thomas. Danielle is passionate about promoting mental health in women and is involved with a charity supporting those with problems both before and after having their babies. To announce the name of the winner from George Street Furnishers, Managing Director Martin Shepherd.
I'm pleased to be here this evening representing George Street Furnishers, and the winner of the Midwife of the Year is Louise Howells.
Hello to everyone at the South Wales Argus Health and Care Awards. It's Anthony Cotton here. I've been asked to send you a little message to wish everybody good luck, to all the winners, to all the nominees, to everybody that takes part, to all the NHS workers, to all the care workers. You have been magnificent through these very, very dark and stressful times. So from the bottom of my heart, genuinely, if I could give you a round of applause, I would do. I can't because I'm holding my phone. Desperate times, desperate measures. But yeah, listen, hello to everyone. I'm sorry that I'm not there with you in person, but I'm at home staying safe, and I hope that you lot are staying safe back where you are. I'm sending you all my love, big kiss, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Anthony. Now we move on to the Special Recognition Nursing Award sponsored by St Joseph's Hospital. This award recognises a person who demonstrates outstanding levels of commitment to patient care and puts the patient at the very heart of what they do. The finalists are Jane Morrish. She's a sister in the outpatient department of St Joseph's Hospital and is described as very dedicated and hard-working as an individual who battles on through all adversity. Christine Redman. She's worked steadfastly during 2020 to support women who've been sexually assaulted by their husbands during lockdowns. And Sarah Truman. Sarah has been a nurse for 35 years. She became the first practice clinical nurse partner in Gwent and is now a nurse practitioner working at an advanced level at Meddyggfa Cwmrwmni, easy for me to say, where her main role involves triaging, diagnosing and treating patients with long-term and acute conditions. To announce the name of the winner from St Joseph's Hospital, Head of Communications, Joe Ike.
Nurses are critical to our healthcare system, especially this year, and I'm delighted to announce that the winner of the Special Recognition Nursing Award this evening is Sarah Truman.
Hello there, gorgeous, lovely health and care workers from Newport and surrounding areas. How are you doing? I'm Dr. Phil Hammond. I've worked in the NHS for 33 years. I've also worked as a journalist, a broadcaster, a comedian, and I've never known anything like it. We've had a pretty interesting first 9 months of the year, and you've really covered yourselves in glory. It would be great to celebrate your wonderful compassion and dedication to the COVID cause in person, but of course we're having to do these virtual awards. So thank you for everything you do. I used to work for an old northern GP called Brian, and he used to say, do you know what the most powerful drug in the world is? It's kindness. Works for virtually everyone, very hard to get the dose wrong. It's free at the point of delivery. That's the one thing we've learnt about this crisis, is that kindness is the glue that binds us all together. And that's largely what we're celebrating this evening. So please give everyone a big round of applause, even if they don't win. Don't be too disappointed if you haven't won, because you've done pretty well to get this far.
Thanks, Phil. Now we move on now to Doctor of the Year, sponsored by Tovey Brothers. This doctor must have demonstrated outstanding levels of commitment to patient care and put the patient at the heart of what they do. The finalists are Dr. Royce Davies. Family GP, Royce Davies is described as patient, polite and very caring. Then there's Dr. David Hepburn, a senior consultant. He's gone above and beyond in caring and treating COVID-19 patients at the Royal Gwent Hospital and keeping the public informed about the pandemic. And Dr. Matthew Turner. Matthew's an anaesthetist who was nominated by a patient whom he helped during a traumatic birth experience. To announce the name of the winner, representing Tovey Brothers, the editor of the South Wales Argus, Gavin Thompson.
The winner of Doctor of the Year is Dr. David Hepburn.
Shane Williams here, and we know that the South Wales Argus Health and Care Awards have had to move online due to COVID, but it's fantastic that they celebrate the NHS and all the care workers out there. You've done a fantastic job. Please enjoy the awards. And well done to all your winners, and congratulations to everyone involved. Diolch yn fawr, take care, stay safe. Diolch.
Thanks, Shane. Now we move on to the Surgeon of the Year, sponsored by Syntec. This surgeon must have demonstrated outstanding levels of commitment to patient care and put the patient at the heart of what they do. The finalists are Mr. Andy Thomas. He diagnoses and treats patients suffering from prostate, bladder and kidney cancers and a number of other conditions. And he sees people from all over Wales and the rest of the UK. And Ms. Lindsay White. Warmth, compassion and professionalism, and an ability to communicate clearly and specifically, along with a great sense of humour, prompted a patient to nominate maxillofacial surgeon Lindsay White as a Surgeon of the Year. To announce the name of the winner, from Syntec Managing Director Peter James.
We're delighted to sponsor the Surgeon of the Year award, particularly during this very bad pandemic and the achievements of the National Health in combating it. And the winner of the award is Ms. Lindsay White.
Hello, this is Miriam Margulies speaking. In portrait style, unfortunately, not landscape. And on behalf of the South Wales Argus, which is a Newport paper, I wish to promote and encourage the Health and Care Awards. They've had to move online because of COVID. Well, Everybody's had to move online because of COVID, but it's to celebrate the NHS and care workers who have been so bloody fantastic right through this horrible business. I love the National Health Service and I love the people who work for it. And I love the South Wales Argus.
Thank you, Miriam. Now, our final award this evening is the Outstanding Achievement Award sponsored by the T2 Group. This award goes to a person who has had to overcome objections or barriers, finding new ways of working, developing new approaches to deliver the best possible care, or had a positive impact on people in the area. The finalists are Dr. David Hepburn, a senior consultant at the Royal Gwent Hospital. He's been the national face of the critical care COVID-19 response, raising awareness of the virus through appearances on news programmes and through social media. He caught coronavirus in March but returned to the front line shortly afterwards and has been working tirelessly to help patients ever since. And Joeen Maskell of Orion Care is the founder of a small care company based in Newport and has been nominated for her commitment, dedication and willingness to go the extra mile for her staff and customers. During the pandemic, she's led from the front, redesigning, recruitment and training programs and customer care plans. To announce the name of the winner and say a few words from the T2 Group Operations Director, Vince Hannant.
A career in health and social care is incredibly rewarding, and now more than ever we need to attract more people with the right skills and values to work in caring roles. A motivated, engaged and valued health and social care workforce is one of the key elements in the ambition to encourage a healthier Wales, and a goal that we are keen to support through the provision of our high-quality apprenticeships funded by Welsh Government. T2 Group specialise in management and health and social care apprenticeships, and we are fully aligned with the new strategy launched by Health Education and Improvement Wales and Social Care Wales, A Healthier Wales, our workforce strategy for health and social care. It is therefore an honour for us to sponsor the South Wales Argus Health and Care Awards 2020, not only because it celebrates all the incredible health and care workers, but it also commends the caring teams at the heart of our communities. Here at T2 Group, we are incredibly proud to support our local area. We fully support We Care Wales by providing excellent training for health and social care professionals, enabling them to deliver the skills and capabilities needed to meet the future needs of people in Wales. So, without further ado, the winner of the Outstanding Achievement Award is Dr. David Hepburn.
Many congratulations, David. Now here's a final message from Aneurin Bevan University Health Board CEO Judith Paget.
Hi there, I wanted to wish everybody a fantastic evening, but also congratulations to everybody who's been nominated. It's been a challenging year for us all. It's really fantastic that we're able to recognise everybody's contribution in this way. Good luck to everybody. I know a number of staff from the Health Board have also been nominated this evening. Good luck to them also. Enjoy yourselves and thank you to everybody who's worked so hard this year in what has been a very challenging year for us all. Good luck.
Congratulations to all tonight's finalists and winners. You really are at the heart of our communities and the work you do is appreciated by every member of it. These awards wouldn't have been possible without the support of our sponsors. Remember, they continue to champion these awards during these challenging times and have helped ensure they could go ahead online tonight. I'd like to thank our title sponsor, the T2 Group, and our category sponsors, Syntec, Coleg Gwent, Freemasons of Monmouthshire, George Street Furnishers, Monmouthshire Building Society, Museum of Military Medicine, Newport City Council, Niche IFA, Royal College of Nursing, St Joseph's Hospital, Tuvey Brothers, University of South Wales, Western Power Distribution, Army, and Aneurin Bevan Health Board NHS, who are supporting tonight's awards. I'd also like to thank Monmouthshire Building Society, who've sponsored the souvenir programme, which will be in the South Wales Argus on Thursday the 7th of January. In it, you'll be able to find out more about tonight's winners, so do be sure to pick up a copy. Thank you so much for watching the South Wales Argus Health and Social Care Awards 2020. Now, I would like to say, just before I say goodbye, I want to wish you all from the bottom of my heart a very happy and a very healthy 2021. Good night.